Hello everyone. So today it's like a tutorial to change the string of ukulele, especially for EverJoice brand, because I could not find any tutorial on how to change the string of these kinds of ukulele. So if you can look at this, it's a bit different than the usual ones. In the usual ones you can see like you can either take it out from this side and then like put it very easily, but this is a bit difficult. It's interesting. So well, it's already loosened up, but before you change any of the string, any of the broken string, so you need to loosen up everything, each and every string, and then like you should pull this from here. You can pull the string, one of the strings, and see how it's connected. If you can see here, there is a tiny metal something, I don't know what it's called, I'll try to find out the name, and then it's tied up like this. Anyways, you can look into this and find out how it's tied. So I'm going to change the fourth string, the topmost string. So you take the string you have that needs to be changed, and then you first insert the string in here and then make a trap like this, and make sure that it does not get entangled when you make it. And this is to ensure that this metal bead, okay, let's say this is bead, this does not like fall down when you put it in the ukulele. So I hope my phone doesn't fall. So anyways, you make a trap, a bond like this, so it doesn't get broken. You insert your hand and trying to find the hole, I guess. Oh, or maybe you can do it like this, and it's much simpler now. Oh, Shravan, stupid Shravan. Anyways, you put it from here. Yeah, this is more simpler. Oh. Okay, I don't understand why it's not like I cannot grab it. It's because I really have, I mean, not very big, but it doesn't fit in from here, you know. Anyways, I'm trying to put it from here again. You can see the string coming, but I don't know why I cannot pull it. Yep, so I finally got it. So now you can make the knot from here, I hope. Oh, it's simple actually. Okay, this is like, by the way, this is the first time I'm changing a ukulele string, so please don't judge me. Anyways, I'm making this so that it will be easy for you. So yep, now you need to tighten it up. So I'm glad that, okay, it's like this now. And see you after the ukulele is fixed, anything you call. Ta-da! Okay, anyways, the strings are tight now, but they are not tuned, as you can hear it. So also you can like cut this off. I don't have a scissor, but I have the nail cutter, so I can cut it with this as well. Okay, so I'm gonna tune it now, and let's see. Ta-da! Okay, so now the ukulele is tuned, and in the description I put the link or the name of the app that I use to tune my string. Actually, I don't know how to play ukulele that much. I know a little bit about guitar. Anyways, this is how you change the string of an ukulele, where it's like this. Okay, this is a beautiful song. I know I don't have a beautiful voice, but I wanted to put this anyways. निखरने का मुझको शौक है बड़ा, समेटेगा मुझको तू बता जरा, हो निखरने का मुझको शौक है बड़ा, समेटेगा मुझको तू बता जरा, जरा